Call me Royan? I can't read anymore. Thank you for the Aka super chat. Congrats on the new kimono and song. I love listening to you sing, and I find your voice so soothing. Thank you. I see it. I've seen quite a few people say they think my voice is soothing. Maybe when I'm lower energy, I could see it. But for the most part, I don't know.
Is it soothing?
Oh god. Okay. Anyway, no, that one makes everybody blush. But I don't like how it sounds. I'd rather use the Go XLR effects to do a lower voice, because then I don't have to actually change anything.